What's up, guys? So today I did a ton of videos with the Gen 5 Viper, taking it to AZ Auto Aesthetics, where it's going to have the wheels refinished and a couple other bits added. Turns out I was testing out my new rig setup on the DJI Osmo Action with a new external mic. So the audio only worked for 3 of the 10 clips I took. So I'm just making this little video now, just explaining to you guys that today I took my Gen 5 Viper over to AZ Auto Aesthetics in Mesa. They're going to take my wheels off, send them off for powder coating, because the lips on the Gen 5 wheels, the clear started to fail and it has little etch marks all over it. So we're going to take the wheels apart. We're going to have the lips refinished in gloss black. Right now they're done in a brushed finish with a tinted clear over it. So we're going to redo them in gloss black, and we're going to keep the wheel faces satin black, and we're going to keep the barrels matte black as they are right now. Once I get it back, I'm going to do a full walk around video of the car and do just like a big drop of how it looks. I'm super excited for it, and let me know what you think of these videos coming up. Let's see if we can hook it all. Here we go. Nope. Just spins right through. I just want to give you guys one final look at the car with the brushed tinted lips on it. And also, just so you guys can hear how it sounds, this thing is super loud. It's got M&M 1 7/8 inch headers, catless, to a Bellinger catback. You just hear that F1X idling. It sounds so sick. I just can't wait to see this thing with the gloss black lips. It's gonna look night and day different. All right, guys, here we are at AZ Auto Aesthetics. I'm about to go inside. We're gonna drop off the car, give them the keys, see if they want me to pull around or if they think they got it. I'll let them know it's only got 1 inch of ground clearance, so that they're super careful with it, but they know this already. Got an i8. Little Toyota taco action. What's that? Lotus Evora, right? It'll be a nice company. You should see the cars they got inside. Pretty much all getting wrapped in some kind of stealth expel. But man, this thing's gonna look phenomenal with the gloss black lips. I can't wait. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those videos with the walk around of the Gen 5 and dropping it off at AZ Auto Aesthetics. My next episode, I will do a full video when I'm going to pick it up and just my first time seeing it, and then I'll do a video driving it home, and then I'll walk around once I get home with the new wheels and all the new bits that were added to it. Super excited for this new look in 2022. It's going to be a game changer, and yeah, I'm just trying to build the nastiest Viper out there. You know, it's got the ProCharger F1X on it, meth injection, makes 860 wheel. You know, it's definitely not the fastest Viper out there with, you know, all the different Calvo, Nth Moto, twin turbo ones, but I'm super proud of the build, and I think it's the most badass looking Viper that's out there right now. And, you know, one day at a time, I'm just trying to make it look better and better. All right, guys. So stay tuned for the next episode. Hopefully in the next week or two, it'll be done, and I'll be releasing that next episode. All right, bye, guys.